or you can drink tea and coffee right here. Unboxing Best Western Standard Room. How are the amenities? What could be the breakfast buffet? What to expect if you are an elite member? Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together. Good evening, Frankfurt. Just landed and ready to share my hotel experience with all of you before we dive into the unboxing report of Best Western Darmstadt Mitte. Let me tell you how I got here. I was at London Heathrow Terminal 2, indulging in a buffet at the very busy Lufthansa Senator Lounge, and then hopped on an Lufthansa A320neo in economy class. Check out the link below for more on that adventure. Now, here I am at Best Western Darmstadt Mitte, 15 minutes drive from Frankfurt Airport. Firstly, we found a simple lobby area, and we need go to reception by taking a lift to the upper level. Oh, did I mention there's a free flow of hot drinks at the reception? It's a kind welcome. My home for the night is room 135, the standard room. Let the room tour begin. The interior decor in using earth tones, creating a warm ambiance on this chilly evening. The room is equipped with a small table and chairs add a nice touch. It's dark outside. We'll find out the view in the morning. And a single bed. Now, let's check out the bathroom. A standard toilet on the left, a sink and bathtub on the other side. Simple and functional. Though I did notice a limited selection of amenities here. Maybe need to contact the reception. Opening the closet, surprise. Only hangers inside. And the minibar? Well, as expected, it's empty. Oh, the safe is here. I will have some good rest and see you tomorrow. Good morning, Darmstadt Mitte. The view outside is peaceful. But before we dive into the unboxing of breakfast, I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe do encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. Let's head to the restaurant next to the lobby. We have a variety of choices. Hot dishes, hams, cheeses, yogurt, pastries, cereals, and refreshing drinks like juice and hot coffee. Basic, but sufficient for a refreshing morning with €15 extra charges. In summary, Best Western Darmstadt Mitte offers clean and internationally standard facilities. The pricing is reasonable in its class for both business and family travel. However, unlike some other international chain hotels, member recognition and perks are a bit limited here. What are your thoughts? Feel free to leave your comments below. In my next video, get ready to join me as I visit Frankfurt Airport, explore the German home-based Lufthansa Business Lounge, and fly to London. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.